What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seductive Souls coming at you. New pickup. I know I'm late, been out of town, but I came home to these. As you can see, it says Air Jordan 5 Retro. Gonna go ahead and get to a first-hand look. As you can see, the box like wood, classic wood with the red Jumpman on top. Open them up. The shoe paper has wood on it also, and then it got that all red, that drip. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out the box. These are the 2021 Raging Bull 5s. I haven't looked at them yet. At the first look, I just don't like the way the suede or the nubuck looks. It definitely don't look like it did when they first released. The Jumpman on the tongue got some, how you say it, stray away strings. It's not bad, you can just burn them. Right there. Go around. No glue stains. Got a little glue right there. Not bad though. No glue stains on the inside. I don't know if that's paint or material right there. A little stain in the corner. Check the other shoe. The right shoe has more glue stains than the left. You can see it right here. We got some right there. You can look at it on top and see it. Pretty obvious. No glue stains on the outside of the shoe. Just a little bit right here. Icy bottom. Icy bottom. And the bottom's not as blue as the last 5s I did, the wolf gray 5s, the golf ones. That bottom was more of a bluish tint. This one is still kind of clear, not as blue, which is okay with me. It doesn't matter. The bottom is the bottom. Hold on, I just seen something right here. I don't know if that's separation or not, but that's fine. So yeah, go ahead and look. The suede or nubuck, whatever you want to call it, if you look at the video, this and the laces are different colors. This nubuck or suede looks faded already, which is kind of a turn off for me. And then being that the laces and the actual shoe is a different color is real bad. So I wouldn't be surprised if somebody redyes these because they look faded already. They look like they've been used. But that's it on that 2021 Raging Bull 5s. Just released a couple weeks ago. I'm late. Yeah, see that? That looks like it has no texture. But But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.